A warm welcome to all my friends on my channel Spices and More. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm sharing with you tawsari, or basically a cucumber cake, yet another delicacy all the way from Goa. This is made in two ways, either by steaming or baking, and I'll be sharing with you the baking version. Basically, this cake is made out of locally grown cucumber, but since those cucumber won't be available everywhere, I'm showing this tawsari using the regular cucumbers but without compromising on the taste. So let's just see what all we need to make this yummy, delicious tawsari or cucumber cake. For this I've heated a pan and I've added 1/4 cup of ghee or the clarified butter and let the ghee get hot. Once the ghee is hot, I'll be adding in 3/4 cup of roasted semolina or rava. So here I would like to share one small tip with you. What I personally do is, whenever I get rava or semolina, I dry roast this, and once it cools down, I store it in the airtight container so that whenever you need to make any dishes, you can use it immediately and the frying or the roasting time is saved. So you can also apply this trick and it will be very easy for you to make any dishes very quickly. I'm roasting it so that the rava or the semolina absorbs all the ghee. We'll be roasting it for just 1 or 2 minutes. Keep the flame on low to medium, not on high, as rava tends to burn very fast. Next I'm adding in 1/4 cup of mixed nuts, and here I've used cashew nuts and the raisins. You can use any mixed nuts of your choice. Again give it a stir. Fry it for just about 2 seconds. Now I'll be adding in 3/4 cup of grated cucumber. I used the grated cucumber along with its skin or the peel, and if you find whatever cucumber you are using is little bitter, then please discard the skin, and I will advise you to first taste a little cucumber before adding it into the tawsari, otherwise it might spoil the tawsari. So take care over here. Give it a mix and combine it very well with rava. Next I'm adding in 3/4 cup of grated jaggery. If you prefer more sweetness, you can increase the jaggery up to 1 cup. Again give it a mix and let jaggery melt. And do not worry if there are chunks of jaggery remaining, as when we bake it, it will melt and it will give nice dead crust to the cake or the tawsari. And keep on mixing and combining all the ingredients. Next I'll be adding in 1/4 cup of hot water. I used hot boiling water, and please do not use any cold or warm water, as there will be difference in the temperature. Hot water will help to bind all the ingredients nicely and make the mixture very thick and not runny consistency. And there are some cucumber which oozes out moisture, so please take care while adjusting the water. We don't want any runny consistency. Now I'll be adding 1/2 cup of fresh grated coconut. If you don't get fresh grated coconut, you can use desiccated coconut as well as an alternative. Adding coconut gives nice rich flavor and taste to the tawsari. Give it a mix and combine it very well with all the other ingredients. And now I'll be adding in 1/2 cup of hot water. Give it a mix. Adding water into batches will help you to adjust the consistency. Now as you can see, all the ingredient or the mixture is coming together. Keep on stirring and mixing it. And now I'll be adding in little salt to balance the flavors. Do not add too much of salt, just little is enough. Next goes in 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder to enhance the flavor and taste of the tausari. Give it mix and combine nicely. And in some time you will notice that all the mixture has combined very well and is leaving out the pan. Now as you can see on the screen, it's coming together and leaving out the pan. At this point, switch off the flame and transfer this mixture into the baking tin. I used here baking tin lined with parchment paper and greased it with little ghee or the clarified butter. And now with the help of a spatula, spread it evenly. Cover each and every corner of the tin so that you will get that smooth layer. Press and spread it. Let me know how you prefer doing this tausari, either by steaming or by baking. Meanwhile, I preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And our tausari is ready to be baked. After 10 minutes, I've transferred the baking tin into the oven and I'll bake it further for 15 to 20 minutes, again at 180 degrees Celsius. And every oven temperature, the setting differs, so you need to adjust it according to your oven. Keep an eye while baking. And a yummy, delicious, quick cucumber cake or tausari is ready to be served. This is one of my favorite and also my family's too. Please let me know how you like today's recipe in the comment section below. Hit that like button. Share this recipe with your friends and family, and please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed so far. Thank you for your valuable time. See you in my next videos, and thanks for watching.